da umetnost proizvodi neki anonimni subjekt.
The lectures are very helpful for me to think about these ways.
Science fiction tends to build not just the reality of a couple of people, it tends to build an entire world.
This privatization and the disappearance of public in the context of subject of critique.
Atëherë kthehemi te Franc Ashiku dhe është një çudi e madhe se si ky njeri duke jetuar në kushtet e një izolimi total, në një diktaturë shumë të egër, arriti ta zhvendosi veten nga e zakonshmja dhe të dali në dimensione krejtësisht tjera estetike.
This is who we are. This is what we made. It's a spaceship.
А люди новые, опять и опять. А те, кто старый, друг друга боятся.
Обратите внимание, вы больше не чувствуете ступней. Настолько они расслаблены. Глубоко расслаблены. Без малейшего усилия ваше дыхание начинает насыщать этим ощущением мышцы вашего тела.
These are the very same people that actually are the technological oligarchs of our time.
It is not the class struggle with the bourgeoisie and the proletariat that will decide the sort of the West.
The dust is very important because the dust is the confusions of bodies, books, clothes, houses, and all the things concentrate on this dust.
Had a little bit time to also start producing some new work. Are you seeing any actual impact in your own work?
Can be developed here in Hristina is about audience, no? Because plans of big contemporary art museums, when the audience is not there, it's difficult, and that's what I think manifestas could, in a way, be helpful, no?
Why did artists? Why do artists always really are with the revolution? Why are avant-garde artists are with the political avant-garde, right? Why those two avant-gardes go together?
Thank you so much for being here, and hope you enjoy the rest of the
your aspirations are, you still have aspirations, and your aspirations are very heartening, whereas a lot of people gave up.
So my name is Adna Muslija. I come from Sarajevo, and this is my first time in summer school at school, and I found out about it through my professor of painting. She advised me to come to a presentation that was held on Faculty of Philosophy in Sarajevo, and the presentation was made by Albert Peta, and everything that he said about this summer school seemed interesting and seemed like the perfect place for me to come and to think in a different way from what I'm thinking, and to learn in a different way that I was learning before, because this is completely different way of teaching and learning compared to my academy and everything that I'm used to.
Because if this is the focus, and where is the state of contemporary society within these questions right now in Skopje?
English has already reached the peak of its power, and it is now in decline. And why it is in decline? because they always say what killed lingua franca, elitism. The moment the language becomes elitist, it's the moment when it starts to collapse.